It's a flood in California.
Okay, guys, come. So,
Look, I can zoom in. I'm zooming in. They can see you better.
hi, my name is Tenyu, and then the guy who's recording is Oliver.
Yeah, of course we know that. My channel.
Okay, so.
It zoomed in. Dude, they can
So-
see like all the way over there.
Okay, so.
Go all the way over there.
So this is giant one.
Jump in it.
Like 1 feet wide.
Okay, record me, dude. Record me. Just don't go out there, because when my Kindle get wet, it breaks.
It's even worse when it's here.
Close up. Dude, come on, record me. Dude, record me. Come on over here. It's super rainy and windy. You guys may not be able to see it, but it's really rainy. Like, look at the ground, though. And this is California. I mean, come on. Now, this is
so weird and possible.
This is 10 years weather forecast. Wait, take that off.
Okay.
Now record.
Now, did you press this?
No, that stops the video.
What do you do?
You just hold it. And
Okay.
it's recording right now.
Okay.
Make sure not to get it very well.
Okay.
Record me.
Bad idea, dude.
I know. But I do it because I'm MLG program stupid.
Dude, I'm not allowed to be wet. Okay, so the trees are swaying. Not really, but it's still a flood even in this
This
car.
is the Tenyu and Oliver weather forecast. Goodbye.